Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new drive cable. To install the new cable, I'll first connect the spring to the deck. I'll connect the cable to the tensioning bracket. I'll use a screwdriver to open the tensioning bracket enough to insert the cable shield through the hole in the bracket. I'll place the bracket back onto the bolt and install the washer and the nut. I'll leave the nut loose for now. I'll connect the end of the cable to the drive bail. Now I'll connect the cable to the cable bracket. I'll secure the cable to the handle with some cable ties. And near the handle bracket, I'll secure the two cables together. Now I need to tension the drive cable. By moving it back and forth in the bracket, I can increase or decrease the tension on the belt. I need to adjust the cable so there's enough tension on the belt to drive the mower, but not too much tension so my hand gets fatigued holding the bail. It might take a couple of tries to get it just right. Mine needs to be a little tighter. So I'll pull the cable out of the bracket. You might need to tighten the bolt each time you make an adjustment, or the cable can slip in the bracket. And that should do. And now I'll install the belt cover. When I tip it, I'll be sure that I tip so the carburetor is up so fuel doesn't spill from it. I'll tip the mower over so I can access the fasteners for the cover. And I'll tip the mower back onto its wheels, and it's ready to go.